Are you good at your job, but you feel like you're overworked and underpaid and you're looking for ways to make money online? Well, then this is for you. So I discovered this blueprint, this digital marketing business in a box. I discovered this after my company got my pay. And that's when I decided I didn't want to get another job because I don't like working for other people. Like I never have. Like I've never enjoyed really working for other people, making other people rich because there's basically like three fundamental ways to make money, right? You can be an employee, which means you're working for other people, you're making other people rich, and you're never like most people will never become wealthy by just being an employee. Okay. So you can be an employee or you can be an entrepreneur, which means you're a business owner. And the highest percentage of wealthy people on the planet are business owners, or you can be an investor, right? Like invest in like stocks and real estate, things like that. So so investing and business are the best ways to make money. And in my opinion, business is the best way to make money because that's when you get some instant cash flow coming in. Okay. So I discovered this blueprint and it teaches you how to make anywhere from $100 to $1,400 a day simply by reselling digital programs in the e-learning industry, which is like $1 billion a day industry. And you get to keep 100% of the profit. You just need Wi-Fi, your phone, about 2 hours a day to do this. You don't need tech skills. You don't need a following. You don't need any experience whatsoever. And you don't have to get on the phone with people. You don't have to cold message strangers. And you don't have to bother your friends and family to do this. Okay. So this is not a get rich quick scheme, right? Hold on. I'm just looking for my board. Okay. Yeah. So it's not a get rich quick scheme. I'm not guaranteeing any results because nobody can guarantee results when it comes to making money or the future because we don't know what's going to happen in the future, right? So if you're new here, I'm Dan. I'm from Michigan, and I help people make money online without having to work a job. Okay. So this is how an online business and every business on the planet works. You have an offer, which is the thing you're selling, which could be a product, an opportunity, or a service. It could be a digital product or a physical product. It could be your product or somebody else's product. Doesn't really matter if it's your product or somebody else's, as long as it's something that's in high demand, something that actually like people are actually buying. Okay. Just so you understand how business works. And I recommend digital products. That's what I do. And I recommend earning 100% profit because with digital products, you don't have to split your profits with anybody, right? Like for me, my top selling product is 1,400. So every time I get a sale, which I've done, I made thousands of dollars with this business. Every time I get a sale, I keep 100% of the profit. And step number two is the system, right? The system is what automates your business. Okay. So like what happens is people go to your link. You're going to have your own link. They put their email in at a capture page. I'm going to show you what it looks like. They put their email in, they get videos from you. And as soon as they put their email in, it triggers an automated email sequence. So they're going to get emails from you every day, following up with your potential customer, your lead. Okay. And it'll take people ultimately to your website. And this is how every business works. Okay. So if you have an online business, you have a website that people go to. If you have an offline business, you have a store that people go to, right? And you have an offer that you're selling at your business. Okay. And then step number three is a strategy. This is a strategy for getting customers, right? Now there's four basic strategies. There's paid advertising, there's warm outreach, there's cold outreach, and then there's free content strategies. Okay. They all work. I've done them all myself, but we teach you the free content strategies so you don't have to pay for ads. You don't have to bother friends and family, and you don't have to cold message strangers. Now, this is what I personally do and what a lot of people in our community who've had success also do. We teach you to post content on social media, choose your favorite platform, and just post 3 pieces a day. Now, when it comes to content, there's audio content, there's video content, there's images, and there's written content, right? Video I do mostly video, but I also do images and a little bit of written content too. And I use AI like ChatGPT and Claude and things like that to help me create content as well. And we teach how to use AI as well. So you can do faceless content. You can show your face or no face. Just, you just want to get started anyways. And generally, I would recommend showing your face because people do business with those that they know they can trust. So if they can't see your face, then it's harder to build that know they can trust, but you can definitely do faceless. People have made a lot of money doing faceless. It just depends on what you want to do. Okay. So I personally just post content every day on social media and I go live on social media and that's it. And then I follow up with messages. That's it. This is the 2 hour workday. You can do it around your schedule. It's super simple. Anybody can do this. It's not complicated. The most of it's just like mindset. Like you got to like have a positive mental attitude and be consistent and show up every day and like show up for your dreams and show up for yourself. Okay. And then you just go through a little bit of training every day. That's pretty much it. So if you want to learn more about this business, go to wealthwithdan.com. There's a link in my bio. Just enter your email, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint. And now I'm just going to share like what this business looks like, how it works. And if you have any questions, drop it in the comments. Okay. Also, if you're watching the replay, let me know where you're watching from. I'm from Michigan, born and raised. So let me show you. Okay. So this is the capture page, right? This is how a sales funnel works. So you're going to learn how to do this stuff. See, when I started this business, I never had my own capture page before. I had never learned how to build an email list. And now I know how to do this stuff, which is a great reason to start a business, right? In my personal opinion, you're going to grow so much just by starting a business. You're going to learn so many skills and your mindset is going to improve just by starting a business because it kind of have to. Like the more you grow, the more your business grows. So what happens is they go to your email, they click on your link, they put their email in, okay? And then they watch this video. This video is doing the selling for you, right? And then they go here to the website. Okay, so this is a beginner-friendly program to build online income, flexibility, and freedom. That's what this is. Okay, so we sell 5 digital programs, and they basically is training programs that teach you how to do digital marketing, how to build an online business, and how to build multiple streams of income. And you can check out the website at Wealth with Dan. You can read through everything. I'm just going to give you a quick little overview. So we have over 60,000 people in our community now. 60,000 people said yes to this. Mostly it's just people that are sick and tired of being overworked and underpaid. They just want more time and money to do the things that they truly love, like travel or spend time with their family. And we did over $29 million in sales in 10 months. We teach you how to get your first customer in 7 days. There's no monthly fees with this business, okay? So it's a one-time investment, and all you need is one sale, and then your business is in profit mode. So everything after once you get your first sale, you get your investment back, everything is profit for you. Okay. So here's our program. And yeah, I'm just going to show you the website real quick. Testimonials, why people love our program, beginner friendly. We have a 2-hour workday, so you can do it around your schedule. It's available in English and Spanish, simple steps to follow, keep every dollar you make, and you learn how to attract daily paying customers, okay? And you're not doing this alone because we have a community of over 60,000 people. We have millionaire mentoring in our community. We have live events. I've been to live events. I've met like so many cool people inside of our community. Friendships for life. You can develop like this is a friends for life kind of business. Every business should be like that, really. So this is your little bio section. You just put your picture here. You put your bio. See, that's me. I'm from, I was hanging out in the Bahamas. Okay. Why this is perfect for you? You want to make extra income from home, but you don't know where to start. Your 9 to 5 job doesn't provide financial security, and you need a better way. You want to work from anywhere using just your phone or laptop. Retirement is around the corner, and you need a reliable income stream. You're a busy parent looking for a flexible, family-friendly business. You've tried other opportunities but struggled to see real results. You want a step-by-step system that takes the guesswork out of online business. Okay. And we teach you how to use AI too, like ChatGPT, Claude, and other tools. So there's unlimited variety ways for you to create content. Like it's really simple. And that's all you got to do is basically master content. You're going to learn content creation, AI, how to build multiple streams of income in a variety of ways, like social media monetization, community monetization, affiliate marketing. We even teach TikTok Shop and UGC. So we teach you how to build multiple streams of income. And we also teach you how to create your own offers and products and how to market those too. So this is what sets us apart from a lot of other like side hustles out there. We earn 100% profit, and we have a certification training that you can go through in like 2 hours, and then you become a certified reseller of this program, and you really understand how digital marketing works. Okay, and once you learn these skills, digital marketing, building a business, AI, these are skills you can use for the rest of your life. Okay, so you can't like the skills itself, like it's all like if you want to upgrade your bank account, you need to upgrade your mindset and your skill set, right? That's it. And the more value you add to the world, the more money you're going to make. And this business is nothing but value. Okay. Value is like information, education, products, opportunities, and services. And this is a product, opportunity, service all in one. And it's also information, education as well. And sometimes it's a little entertaining when you get to like interact with people in the community and you get to jump on these live calls. I find the live calls entertaining because I like to learn from millionaires. It's fun for me. It's better than, it's like zoning out on watching TV all day. That's just my personal opinion. So what are you going to learn inside of the programs? You're going to learn phase 1, the foundation, CEO mindset and clarity, get crystal clear on on your niche and who you're meant to help. Phase 2, attraction, get attention and build awareness, what to post every day so you never feel stuck again. Phase 3, engagement, build trust and relationships, how to turn views into conversations. And phase 4, how to invite people to your offer with confidence. And then phase 5, you're going to learn how to create content in minutes, not hours, using AI. And phase 6, monetize, how to scale your business and how to build multiple streams of income. So that's what these programs will be teaching you. And the creator of these programs said herself that these programs are designed to create 7-figure income earners. So there you go. That's from her words. So this is what we sell, these 5 digital programs, 5 in English, 5 in Spanish. Okay. So I've sold each one of these programs, but I didn't do the selling. My website did, right? So people went here while I was sleeping. I've even made 1,400 in my sleep because the programs sell for 100, 300, 600, 900, or 1,400, and they can purchase whichever one they want, and you can too. So I recommend the 1,400 because if you go with the 1,400, you get all 10 income streams and you can earn those $1,400 commissions, which are amazing. Okay. So you can only earn at the level that you're at and below. So let's say you start at the 1,400, you can earn at that level and below. But let's say you start at the 100, you can only earn at that level, but you can always upgrade later. So you can start at a lower level, that's fine. It's better to get started but not get started. you can get sales and then upgrade when you feel comfortable. Okay. Of course, never invest money in like never invest money if you're not if you're not comfortable losing it, right? I'm not saying you're going to lose money. You have the potential, you could make thousands and millions of dollars, but I'm just saying, in general, they say never invest money unless you're comfortable losing it, right? But I made my money back in 2 weeks, and I've made thousands of dollars. And we've created over 125 six-figure incrementers in the United States, four six-figure incrementers in Canada, one millionaire in Canada, and 30 self-made millionaires in South Africa. So you just got to believe in yourself, show up, positive mental attitude, be confident, focus on how much money you want to make. Set a goal for the year. Like, how much money do you want to make in a year, and why do you want that money? And just keep working until you hit that goal. That's really the secret. And then you get thousands of dollars worth of bonuses. You get all this bonus training. You get access to our community for free millionaire mentoring, which is big because a lot of millionaire mentors, they charge money for coaching. Okay, you get to learn how to monetize your own communities, how to create faceless content, how to create your own products. Okay. So that's pretty much the website, and there's frequently asked questions. So you get to use this website. Like when you start, you get to use the website. You get to have your whole sales funnel, everything, right? So all you got to do is set this up. And once you get started, we show you how to set it up. You just watch these videos. I set my system up in a few hours, and I set it up multiple times. It's really easy. Watch the videos, copy and paste and post your information. That's pretty much it. It's pretty simple. Okay. So if you have any questions, let me know. And yeah, so all you got to do is get your business set up. And like I said, we teach you how to promote on social media, 2 hour workday, post 3 pieces of content a day, you can go live, and you can also copy, paste free ads to high traffic websites. Okay. So for example, I made thousands of dollars, and I mostly focus on posting content and going live, right? So I have videos on YouTube. I have long form videos that are over 10 minutes. That's long form. And then I have short form videos. I would say videos that are around a minute or less. Okay. I try to keep my videos around a minute or less. And you can see I also do these little 7-second videos with words on the screen. You call it text overlay. So I just use AI, copy, paste, put these words on the screen, unlimited varieties of content. Then I do little talking videos that are a minute or less. And my lives are recorded. So I go live on TikTok and I go live on YouTube simultaneously, because the more you show, the more you sell. You just want to get as many eyes on your business as possible, right? And my playlist, I create different playlists. So either I'm creating content for this business, or my content's about marketing tips and mindset tips, pretty much. Because I help people with their marketing, and I help people with their mindset as well. And then I create these little posts that I use AI with. Like, these are AI created posts. I use these little images. AI helps me create these images, and that's pretty much what I do. That's pretty much how I build my business. So it's not complicated. It's very simple. It's very beginner friendly. You just got to do it. It doesn't matter what side, like you're like aware, like you have a lack of money, right? A lot of people, like myself included, we go through this phase where we realize we have a lack of time, we have a lack of money. So then we consider our options. What are we going to do? Get that second job, go back to college, or start a side hustle, right? Pretty much that's it, or invest. And then we consider options and we make a decision. But until you actually start doing anything, like getting the job, doing the side hustle, investing, until you actually start the process, you're not going to make money. So you want to start the process as fast as possible. Start learning and earning as fast as possible. All right. So go here, wealthwithdan.com, check it out, enter your information, check your spam, check your promotions folder for the word blueprint, reply to my emails if you have any questions. Otherwise, like this video, share this video, subscribe to the channel, share this video if you know somebody that's looking for legitimate ways to make money online. They're sick of being stressed out financially and they want freedom, then share this video with them. All right. Thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one. Have a great day.